Hi guys, my name's Faith. Hi, not looking my best. Here's my puppy, and he's the reason why I'm posting this. He thinks it's cool to poop on the floors. If you guys know any secrets about dog training, house training, please let me know. So, I've got the culprit stains right here, and I found a new secret. You take hydrogen peroxide and you put it on your carpet, wherever the stains are. Then you get a rag. Make sure it's a rag that you don't care about, that you just use for cleaning, because it might get stained. And then you take an iron and you just sit it there just for a few minutes. Oh my gosh. And it's supposed to lift the stain. Let's see if it works. Because I've tried everything. I've tried OxyClean. I've tried a pet stain remover. And pet stain remover, it sort of works, but it makes a really bad smell in the house. I also tried steam cleaning, and that works for a little bit, but I mean, the more you clean your carpets, water creates mold in the carpet, so the more you clean it, the more it's just going to be bad news. So I'm just moving this around a little bit, letting it sit, and I might want to get another rag for the other stain. Now, this is the first time I'm doing this, so I'm not sure if it really works, but okay, let's see. Oh my gosh, look. It's lifting the stain. Oh wow, it works. Oh crap. Oh wow, I am so excited. So, here we go. Let's try it one more time. I'm going to use the same rag just because I don't feel like going downstairs to my laundry room. Okay, and again, just let it sit. Puppies, get out. Here's puppy number 1. She's my blue nose. And puppy number 2, he's my red nose. He's beautiful. Look at those eyes. Look at those eyes. Anyways, and he is the biggest baby. Anyways, just move it around a little bit. Try not to, do not leave it on the carpet and leave the room. Especially not when you have kids around, because kids can get burned. And your carpet might burn. I never left it on there because, again, this is the first time I'm doing this. Oh, wow, I'm excited. You have no clue how many times I scrubbed this carpet trying to get the stains out. Okay. It's working. Wow. Okay. I'm going to try it one more time with this. Again, peroxide. I've tried vinegar too, and vinegar works, but vinegar leaves a really stinky smell in your house, like somebody just pissed all over the place. And dog pee and vinegar together smells like ammonia, and it's really, really gross. Again, it's hydrogen peroxide. I just, went to Walmart, and these big jugs, I think they're 32 ounces, were just 89 cents. You can't beat that. They're good for mouthwash, cleaning your sinks, just about anything, honestly. And so is vinegar. Vinegar is great with cleaning stains up, grease off your stove. If you put vinegar in water, in a spray bottle, just use it as your daily cleaner, because it's not toxic to animals, and it's actually way better than 409 and all that, which if an animal got a hold of it, could kill them. So, or a child. Now, if a child drinks vinegar, oh my gosh, more power to them, but it won't hurt them. Because I have so many cases where kids come in my ER and they, well, not technically my ER, but kids come in the ER and they swallow toxic cleaners underneath the sinks. And yeah, you should have a lock on your cabinets, but I mean, it's a pain in the ass for parents too. Okay, well, I'm going to still work on the stain while it works, and good luck, guys.